I think
Sorry,
Harsh,
yeah.
I can see some thoughts brewing in Harsh's mind. I want to hear from
Harsh
him.
is downloading the app.
It's okay.
Harsh, don't do it, Harsh. Don't
Married
do it,
or
Harsh.
I'm gonna go last. I'm gonna go last.
Are you ready?
yeah.
Let's watch this.
So, what frustrates you about finding love on dating apps?
जस्ट लिटिल थिंग्स।
और उसमें तो तुम्हारा सब ठीक ही चल रहा है।
जब तक एक्टिंग चल रही होती है सब अच्छा ही चल रहा होता है।
मैं समझी नहीं।
पता नहीं डेटिंग ऐप से मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स कहीं जाती क्यों नहीं है।
जाते हैं ना
कहाँ?
भाड़ में।
एंड आई स्टिल नेवर लीव दोस डेटिंग एप्स। व्हाई?
बच्चे, you are suffering from OCD,
CDD।
obsessive compulsive dating disorder.
एक्सप्लेन।
It's a long-lasting disorder in which a person experiences uncontrollable and recurring obsessions of swiping left, right, left, right, left, right, looking for validation at 3 a.m., craving toxic behavior, never leaving the chat box, and never ever meeting the match in real life.
इंग्लिश प्लीज।
Basically, खुद का कटवाने में मजा आता है।
So how do I get out of this?
Download Julio if you want real love. It's their tagline.
Julio, another dating app.
No, not a dating app.
Another matrimonial app.
It's not a matrimonial app. It's an exclusive singles club.
And this club will work for me.
Why don't you ask her?
कहीं ये डीप फेक तो नहीं है? बहन डीप फेक तो तेरे डेटिंग एप्स है। मैं मिथिला हूँ फ्रॉम द फ्यूचर। हैव आई फाउंड द वन? ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी, बस एक हिंट दूंगी। डाउनलोड जूलियो। इज दिस लहंगा फ्रॉम काव्या चाची? डाउनलोड करेगी?
Download Julio.
द ट्रस्टेड सिंगल्स क्लब।
दुल्हन क्यों आ गई यार एंड में?
That's the future her telling her to download Julio.
That's one hell of a lie you're selling, man. Not even convincingly enough.
But, did it do the job of creating awareness in my head about a new dating app? Yes. It did.
Vedanti, stop being
I
supportive,
agree.
yaar.
I'm not
No,
let-
so
no, one
no,
second,
no, 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 no. I agree with Vedanti. I agree. I kind of agree with Vedanti.
Yeah, they said we are not a dating app. They said we are not a matrimonial app, but they ended it with you are going to get married. So I'm like, where are you going with this, right?
मतलब insights लेके हमारे like how singles feel, what their dating behaviors are on this app, what they are really thinking, how they do not really end up meeting anybody. They had their insights, but I feel थोड़ा cringe हो गया.
What's that? Shadi.com app? That's also designed like a dating app now. You get to swipe on people, you get to talk.
Again,
Now for dating.
Shadi.com, Parikshit has a lot more idea about it because he's been swiping left, right, and center about this.
Have you guys seen Nadanya, the movie?
I saw 10 minutes and I
So I think this is Nadanya treatment. People who don't know how Gen Z speak write this script and then they expect that people will relate. And as a Gen Z yourself, you're like, we don't talk like this, and people who are acting could say something, right? Like, this is not how this works. They still don't. I think this is the same thing here. Someone who thinks they understand what it feels like has written this ad. And by the time it actually went to giving the message, they have gone somewhere else. So
tried so hard to be funny. So hard.
Is that there are a lot of dudes on the internet who are also looking for dates. I didn't understand why this ad wasn't really talking to a guy as much.
No, that's a very good question, and this is I could be 100% wrong about this, but if a new app can manage to get women on it,
Oh yeah, that's where the guys go.
accurate. And people, I'm getting ready and showing you my makeup. I will still have a more man following than women. How does my makeup routine bother a man? It's just I'm looking at a woman on my phone, I'm going to look and move away. And this is, at least with social media, very dystopian and sad thought, but this is how it is. And I'm telling you because I make educational content. So I was not surprised that there were more men engaging with me in general, but this is across my creator friends also. So I think it's very smart that you've used a woman. You're going to listen to a woman as a man. Whether you like it or not, that's how Indian men work.
PSA disclaimer for everybody in the world who's dating, and particularly guys. मेरे भाई 10,000 लड़के तेरी बंदी के पीछे पड़े हैं. Just be happy, proud, and lucky दैट वो तेरे को अटेंशन दे रही है जब उसके डीएम्स में 10,000 लड़के हैं ऑलरेडी। जूलियो का पूरा एडवर्टाइजमेंट was just showcasing what toll your mental health goes through, particularly when
Hmm.
you're on these Tinder, Bumble, and everything. This is what I understood. It is inspired by the traditional Indian matchmaking, but it is trying to appease to the Gen Z.
Hinge. I'm sorry, I can't remember which one. I just remember the line which says you're meant to be deleted or made to be
That's
deleted.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
that's Hinge.
so I think the seriousness kind of gets conveyed from that a little bit. I really love that line. Like that really stuck with me throughout because I was like, if I ever, God forbid, had to, I would be on a platform which is promising that I don't have to stay here forever. So that's a difference, I think, in the communication that a Julio versus a Hinge or Bumble would have.
I just opened the App Store and checked the description. Particularly highlights that it is meant for curated events and intimate group meetups.
That's becoming a thing now with all these running groups and all the communities, social
हाँ
things.
जी.
That's becoming a
हाँ
thing
जी.
now
Can
too.
we move on to rating
Yes,
it?
yes.
3, yeah, let's go. I'm gonna give it a 3. I did not like this ad. It did not make sense to me. I wouldn't be able to spend money on it and get the result that I would want. So it's a 3 for me. It's really harsh, but not worth it.
I'm
Vedanta.
giving it a 3 because I wasn't intrigued by it. Not intriguing enough. Scrollable.
Hmm.
I think like a 4 maybe. Not a 3. 3 is too less. Like a for the effort, for the insights, for also, hammering the name twice, thrice for me to remember it. So 4.
I'm gonna go with a 5. I have a very conflicting view on dating apps in general as a whole now because I think Instagram killed love. It's just that everything now is just a very shallow sort of.
Parikshit, nobody wants to hear your sob story.
Okay. But I
A
do think.
podcast was created so that we can make ads great again. And that's